We've met with several management consulting firms, and what they have wanted to know much more about is the SAP S/4 Public Edition and what that means to their business. As we meet with them, we're helping them understand really three different things. The first off is what the solution offering is and how that's really a manifestation of how SAP has transformed over the last 5 years. So now SAP is delivering fit to standard, best business process type solutions. No longer is there a lot of design into business process and then automating that business process. It's more of a workshop process of taking what is delivered as best practice and then using organizational change management to adapt the business to that process to achieve the realities of efficiency and best practices. And what that means is that it's much smaller implementation teams, much smaller consulting teams, and really a different way, really re-architecting their methodology to fit what this new ERP reality is that's being delivered from SAP. And let's be clear, SAP isn't the only solution provider or publisher doing this, but they really are at the forefront of it. So as we've taken a look at meeting with these management consulting firms, as they're talking and advising their customers, they're looking for the information to better service their customers, to better understand, okay, if we're going to carve this division out and sell it, what's the best way to transition that off of what they're on today and onto something new? And it used to be that if you talked about what's called a greenfield or a starting from scratch implementation, that was millions and millions of dollars, too expensive, too long to do. But with the S/4 Public Edition, a greenfield implementation, starting over, taking the master data, migrating balances, and then getting through an implementation can be accomplished within the timelines of what's called a transition services agreement, which usually when they do a carve out is, anywhere from a 6 to 12 month period of time.